Ready to unlock the power of decentralized finance by connecting your Coinbase wallet to Aave. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed and funded with the cryptocurrency you want to use on Aave. Like Ethereum, open the Coinbase Wallet app. Next, locate the browser or DApp browser icon within the Coinbase Wallet app. This icon allows you to access decentralized applications like Aave. Now, in the browser, type in Aave.com and navigate to the Aave website. Once there, find and click the Connect Wallet button. You'll see a menu of wallet options. Choose Coinbase Wallet from the list. This will initiate the connection request. Coinbase Wallet will then display a pop-up asking for your permission to connect to Aave. Carefully review the permissions requested, and if you're comfortable, tap Connect. Congratulations! Your Coinbase Wallet is now connected to Aave. You should see your wallet address displayed within the Aave interface, confirming the successful connection. Now you can explore Aave's features, like depositing crypto to earn interest or borrowing assets. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming anything. Finally, always be mindful of security best practices. Only connect your wallet to trusted websites, and regularly review your wallet permissions. Now you can confidently participate in Aave's lending and borrowing markets, maximizing your DeFi potential.